Hi, this is Chinmayi, and today I am still having a little bit of a migraine, and this is why my face looks like this. So, I just thought perhaps I could tell you how I would go about doing my makeup on a day like this when my eyes are sunken. I am still dealing with some amount of pain, but I need to get up, show up, and perform. So, let me take you right in. Okay, so the only way to look a little not tired and bright is to concentrate on the eye area. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go a little heavy handed with my concealer, a lot more than I actually would, to wake up how I look. So basically these are so this inner area and this inner area is where my eyes are darker. So I'm going to be using concealer here. I'm using the Fenty Beauty concealer. And I'll quickly blend this out. This looks slightly OTT right now, but I think once I set with my powder and everything else, I'm sure it'll come to look a little more normal. Whatever's left on the brush, I'm just using on my forehead. So I now will be using foundation on top of it, something that I'm also doing for the first time because I never really needed to go concealer and then foundation really with my face, but today is a different day. I'm using the Juvia's Place foundation stick. As I said earlier, this is actually one of my favorite foundations that I've loved using, and looks like I'm going to be running out of this pretty soon. So I shall now be setting my under eye. This is a Morphe sponge. I'm going to let this bake a while. I'm actually still very much considering performing with the mask on, so it's going to be an interesting thing. So now I'm actually going to be using the Too Faced Peach palette. I'm going to be applying peach meringue all over my lid. So this is what I'm using to kind of set my upper eyelid. I see a little bit more darkness to this left end, so I'm just going to go back in with my concealer to just dot a little bit, and this little bit, it's quite a bit actually. Take off the excess to another region, and now go back in with a setting powder and let this sit. I'm going in with peach tea on my crease. My crease is actually lower than that, but considering mine is a hooded eye, this is how I go about my crease. I'm going in with peach butter. I'm just using my finger to apply this to the inner corners of my eye. I want the inner corners to be light so that my eyes look a little open as much as I can manage. I'm going back and blending this out. I'm now going in with peach cobbler and fresh picked from the same palette. I'm just going to be sticking to the Too Faced palette today, and I'm just placing this in the outer corner. Slowly blending it out. I'm going in with an eyeliner brush, and I'm going in with peach tart in the same palette. I'm going to try and draw my eyeliner with a powder today. So that's that. I'm just going to be lining just my inner corners with my Shiseido eyeliner. So I have finished my eyes. I'm just going to be curling my lashes, and I'll pack the under eye with some more powder before I go in with my mascara, because I have a tendency, some of my eyelashes are really long, so they tend to transfer to my lower lashes a little bit. So there's this brand called Suku which has a half lash curler. I think I need that for my inner corners probably at some point. But just do a light contouring job. This is the Etude House blending stick. It's actually a K-Beauty makeup brand also. Etude House also has skincare, as you might know. I'll just set my eyebrows now, considering my eyebrows have not really had much care, lockdown and all. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel. So this also helps in brushing the brows together and setting them, basically nudging them to be the shape that I want. By the way, this is a clear brow gel, so there's nothing, no color in this. I'll just line my lips and maybe wear a lip balm for now. Because as I said, I'm just going to be mostly performing with my mask on. So I'll now brush off the powder. I'll now be going in to lightly shade my lower lash with peach tea. And that's that. This is the max I could do today. And as I said, I will be wearing a lip balm, and if I am going to go mask off a little bit, I will perhaps wear a lip shade that would slightly match my eyeshadow game a little bit, and that would be YSL 23. I might as well show you this because this is a non-transfer lipstick, lip color rather. This would be my entire look. What I did not do earlier, I'm thinking if I should, is slightly use a little bit of blush around my cheeks. I thought I would skip it today, but maybe not. That's that. This is all we can manage today. And until I see you in my next video, this is Chinmayi saying bye-bye.